So there is something magical happen in this AI world, and the line between the real and unreal is almost fading away with all these kind of AI tools. And for a long time I was looking for a good tool that I can use to swap faces from my videos or maybe from my photos, and finally I found it. And Higgsfield just released their latest face swap tool, and this is another level. This is not something like that you can do with Gemini or other tool, and in this video I'm going to show you some example and how you can use this tool actually. So let me show you some example first, and let's see how this looks.
Why your music is so trash? I can't even understand what you rap.
You think I'm crazy, chat? You think I'm crazy?
So yeah, Hermione dumped me.
Oh, poor Harry.
So as you see the example that the face swap is really nice, and now let me show you how you can actually use the tool. So to use the tool, first of all you just go to this address Higgsfield.ai and then create an account. Then you just need to go to this homepage. It is right now the homepage. You can just click on this face swap, or you can just go to this character and this face swap. So there is two type of tool, one is face swap and one is character swap. So let me show you the face swap first. So just go to this, and there is two options you can choose. One is the main photo that you want to use, and another one is targeted photo. And there is the option you can change the model if you want to. Another model you can also use nano banana, you can use Higgsfield face swap. So I'm just going to show this one, and there is a auto option, and you can also choose another aspect ratio. So for example, if you want to have the wide angle face, and you can use this one wide angle setup. So let me use a photo. So I'm going to use one photo of this one. So this is the boy, and now this is my targeted photo. So if I show you really quick, so this is the targeted photo that I am going to use. So I want to change the photo to that small boy photo with this person face. So I'm just going to use the targeted photo as this. Now I'm going to click on generate. So as you can see right now they are giving daily free credits and also unlimited generation of videos if you have any plan. So I'm just going to click on this generate 10 free credits. So let's see, it will enqueue. It will take a little time and it will generate. So the generation is done, and let me show you the result. So this is the result. As you can see, the face consistency is really nice. So you can see the hairstyle, the person face. If I show you the photo, let's show you the photo. So as you can see, this is the person, his face, and this is our main photo. So as you can see, this is the main photo, the hairstyle and everything. So this is the way how you can use this tool. Let me use another example for checking out the quality. So we are just going to use another photo. So let's say we just go here, go to our face swap tool again, just remove this one. So for photo I'm going to use my own photo. So let's say I'm going to use my own face, and I am going to use this one, and then click on open. So as you can see, this is the photo, and this is my photo. Let's click on swap. So as you can see, the photo generation is done, and let me show you the result. So this is almost like the character, and it's really funny to have myself as like this. So let me show you another example, like as we now using the face swap, but if we use the character swap, then what happened in that case. So let me show you some example before I go to the character swap tool, because there are few example that's really nice. So let's say we are using the same photo, but we are going to use the Higgsfield character swap. So let's generate again. So as you can see, now I choose the character swap, and this give me the great result that I was looking for. Because as you can see, when I use the face swap tool, you can see my face actually changed in that photo style, you know. I mean the character was how he's smiling like that with the teeth, and how his eyes and everything. But when I use the character swap tool, you can see the face, and it's completely matched with my style. So this is my face, this is the style that I was looking for, and this is exactly like my character. So it's not exactly the face swap, but if you want to only use the face swap, let's say you want to make the face like the character, you can use this tool, and this is the character swap style. So let me show you another example so we can understand better how the difference between the character swap and face swap. So I'm just going to use my photo again, and I'm going to use this photo. So I'm going to use the character swap right now, and it's like the face swap, but it will be more into your own character. So this is the difference between all the other tool available there, who is actually changing only the face but not implementing the key difference between the face and everything. So if you want to only use the face swap, you can do it, or if you want to do the character swap, you can do it. So I'm just going to generate both option here. So this is our character swap, and this is face swap. So let's see the difference, how it actually looks. So as you can see, this is actually I used the character swap, and this is the face swap. So both are really nice, but it's always a preference what you like actually. So as you can see, this is also like my own face, and this is the same face, but it more naturally blended into it as I use the character swap tool. And this is the face swap tool. This is also really nice, and also use the same expression from the input photo. So this was the difference between these two tools, and I really like this tool. There is no tool available to this level actually. If I use the Gemini tool, that it's all not all like this. So now also there is a way that you can also animate this kind of photo that you generated using same the Higgsfield tool. So let me show you how you can actually do it. So there are few different ways. You can directly go to the video generation, or you can just use from here. So let's say I want to animate this photo. So I'm just going to click on animate and then go to video, and you can also create UGC ads from here, and you can also click on speak or some other tool. You can also use it from here. So I'm just going to click on animate and click on video. That's it. So now I can generate videos from here. So what I will do, as you can see, this is my first frame, and I'm going to use a model that I want to use. So I just click on the animate icon and write this prompt and click on generate. I'm using here 1.2.5 fast mode, and as you can see, the video is in progress, and let's see how the result come out. So as you can see, the photo generation to the animation is done, and let's play the video and see how the result is.
This ends now!
So as you can see, the quality is really nice. As I have used the 1.2.5, you can use the VO3 or 3.1. So it depends on the quality you choose, and it will be as the video performed. So as you can see, the face consistency is really nice. You can change to any face, and you can just use it any you want. So there you have it. You just have to go to the Higgsfield.ai and choose the face swap or character swap, and use your input image or the targeted image to get this kind of result. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.